Hey, check this out. I'm at the lake in Germany and there's a tree under which it's raining. And it doesn't smell like anything and the other leaves are completely dry. There was no fog or anything, no mist. And check this out. Everything completely dry. There is no cloud. And under this tree, it rains. Like shit. Like normal rain. And then there are no insect or something else on the leaves. It's like this. We don't know what's going on. There was nobody who sprayed water on it. And it doesn't smell. It's big drops of water, I think.